Welcome friends, welcome to another tutorial from MK Science class. Today I will discuss about the process of saponification or what is saponification. So at first we have to know what is saponification. Saponification is the phenomena of formation of soap when lipids such as triacylglycerol or phospholipids hydrolyzed in the presence of alkali such as sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxides, and the sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide reacts with the lipids and forms sodium or potassium salts of long chain fatty acids. These sodium or potassium salts are known as soap. There are some common salts soap like sodium palmitate or sodium or potassium olate, etc. So I show one example of saponification with the help of tripamitin. Tripamitin is a lipid or triglyceride. This tripamitin, in the help of sodium hydroxides, produce 3 molecule of sodium salts or common salt and 1 molecule of glycerol. So I will show. The reaction is at first I have to write the structure of tripamitin. So I write here the structure of tripamitin. Tripamitin is a lipid, I have told earlier. C15H31 double bond O, C15 and H31 double bond O, C15 H31, and it reacts with sodium hydroxide. What will happen in the next? Here the structure is tripamitin. Tripamitin is a lipid and sodium hydroxide. It produces 3 molecule of sodium salts and 1 molecule of alkali. This hydroxyl part and this part produces the glycerol. Here at first I have to write the glycerol. CH2 and OH, then CHOH, and then CH2OH and plus, and the remaining is sodium and this part. Then sodium NaOC double bond O, then C15 and H31. It's called sodium palmitate. Then the reaction balanced. Here I have to balance it 3 and here 3. Then the reaction is balanced. So this is the saponification process. Saponification. that is very clear or very easy. I think you have cleared that. Tripamitin or 3 molecule of triglycerol or lipids, and 3 molecule of sodium hydroxide or alkali group, and the reacts then produces 3 molecule of sodium salts or sodium palmitate and 1 molecule of glycerol. The sodium palmitate or soap, I have told earlier, the common soap is the sodium palmitate or sodium olate or potassium olate. So here is the complete process of saponification. I think you all understood this, and I will show in the next video another biochemistry video. If you like the video, please press the like button, and if you want to know any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will answer you, and stay with me and support me. Thank you so much.